How do I get opportunities for public speaking? I'm going to share that with you in just one moment. I am AmondaRose Igoe, your speaking success strategist and award-winning speaking expert. So let me answer that question. How do I get opportunities for public speaking? There are three things that you want to do. First, you just want to determine who is in your audience. Who's in your audience? Are you speaking to moms? Are you speaking to accountants? Are you wanting to speak to specific types of corporations? Are you wanting to speak to business owners and entrepreneurs? Determine who is in your audience, because if you're not clear on who is in your audience, you can't find those audiences. The next thing you want to do is you want to set up a Google alert. You can just type in Google, how to set up a Google alert, and Google alert will tell you exactly how to do that. But what happens with a Google alert is you put in the criteria that you would like. So maybe you want to put in, let's just say, this is totally off the cuff, but a podiatrist conference, right? Who doesn't want to speak at a podiatrist conference? I'm only joking. So a podiatrist conference. So you can put that into Google Alert, and Google Alert will send you an email when there's any news related to a podiatrist conference. Maybe you want to speak to moms, and maybe there's a moms conference or moms associations. You can put those, and you can type that into Google, and Google will send you those alerts. The other thing, you also want to search like meetup groups, and other things like lanyard.com are great places. Eventbrite.com are great places to search for speaking opportunities for yourself and for others. And so you can go ahead and search those groups, but you want to look for groups that particularly bring in speakers, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. So that's my answer to your question, is how do I get opportunities for public speaking? And if you're going to AmondaRose, I need more help, you can apply for a strategy session with me. Go to AmondaRose.com/strategy. AmondaRose.com/strategy. I look forward to helping you. I'll see you there.